Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys all enjoyed my last video. Today, we're here at Pipeline Trail. I've never heard of it, just kind of found it on Google, so I'm going to go check it out and you guys can come with me so we can check it out together. Hope you guys all enjoy. Now let's get on today's video. Here we go with the start of the trail. Never been down this trail, so kind of cool. I get to explore it with you guys. Oh, plane going overhead. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, here we go with the walk down Pipeline Trail. Looks kind of cool. I love seeing all these. Lots of electrical wires all above me. Hopefully none fall on me. And there's our first junction. There's a dump place down there. Probably not going to walk down there because there's not really much there. You can see the end of that trail. And then there's down here, which I have no idea what that is. Looks like this is a road. So I'm going to go across and go over to here. Let's go down this way. Let's take the east trail. I'll let you guys hear the sounds of nature as we walk and the electrical sounds. But yeah, it's a neat walk. I like these kind of walks. As we come up to our second little junction, I think I might just turns into, if I keep going that way, it's the Pipeline Road, Pipeline Trail, sorry. And if I go this way, it's Muckle Creek Trail. I don't know where this leads, but could always have a look, test it out, see where it leads to. Oh, it just leads to a field there, a sports field. So not going to go that way. So I've been calling this Pipeline Road or Pipeline Trail. It's actually called Powerline Trail. So let's go up this way and explore and see what it leads to as we listen to the sounds of nature. Oh, another junction. I wonder if this leads to anything. Let's go up this way. Really neat in amongst the trees again with all these branches. Cool, neat little branches again. Neat trail. Right beside right behind an elementary school. Kind of interesting. Oh, and there's a squirrel running away. So we keep going up the trail here and see what else we can see, what other wildlife we can see and hear. Oh, and now we go down a hill. Let's see what's down this hill. Here. Let's see what we have here. Yes, I know I'll have to climb back up that, but let's just see what is up ahead. Oh, looks like we got some stairs up ahead that probably go up to that school that also has a soccer field and what looked like a basketball court and some other stuff. Yeah, there you go. Goes up to the back of the school. But I'm going to keep going up the trail. See what we can find. Oh, we got to go up a hill. Just a small one. Sounds like a plane in the sky. Well, let's keep walking up the trail here. See what we can find up this way. As I explore down here a little bit. Well, let's go explore down this way. It's kind of cool how there's two stumps on either side that just are stumps. They're not full-on trees. That's cool. I think it's because they've done a bunch of logging in here, or cut down a bunch of trees. I wouldn't say logging, just a bunch of trees been cut down on this path. And I think this leads up to another road. I think is what this is up here. Yep, that's what it sounds like. Sounds like we ended up at another road. So I guess this trail just starts at a different road for different paths, and this is one of them. Can actually start right here. And we're just gonna head back the same way we came, back down this trail back towards the car. But I think we'll go a little bit of a different route. So stay tuned. I don't know if you guys can hear, but as I'm walking up this path, you can hear the rain coming down. Just listen. It's a very gloomy, wet day. It may be gloomy and wet, But that never stops me from going for some walks. Unless it's really just calming down, then I won't go for a walk. But a little rain never hurt me. Never hurt anyone, for that matter. So, yeah. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. You know what to do. Subscribe. And like the videos. And share it with your friends so I get more subscribers. So, yeah. Hope you guys are all enjoying this video. Here we are back where this trail actually started. You can see the post marker there. I'm going to come out of here and I'm going to take a left and go up that road or that trail and see where this leads us. See how much further I can go up this way before I decide to turn around. The rainy sounds of November. There's where I came from. I guess behind here, I just found a sign. As you can see here, it says Muckle Creek. So I guess behind here is Muckle Creek. I don't know if I can get my camera high enough to see that, but behind there is Muckle Creek, according to this sign. You guys can see the sign there. It's an old sign, it looks like. Well, we'll go up this trail and see what's at the top here. See what's at the top of this small little incline. How's the electrical working? You can see another junction here. Oh, so I guess, yes, it's called Power Line Trail, but it's also Muckle Creek. And this is just what it's called, Power Line Trail. So I wonder if that's where I came from. It doesn't really say what's down this way. I'll check this junction over here, see if this has any idea on where I get back to. So let's see what this way has. And then maybe I'll turn around and go back that way. So let's go up this way a bit. It just seems like it's another road. Like cars could drive down this road. That kind of road. Not a trail road. But maybe it leads back to where I started. I always find that when I go for walks, I get lost and I can't find where I'm going. I can't find my way back. I think my hair is getting static electricity. I can feel it moving. And it's not just me walking. I think I'm getting an electric current standing under these electrical wires. That's kind of weird. I doubt it, but no, you can't really see it. So I don't think it is. I think it was just the wind pushing my hair around. Oh, we'll keep going up this road. Like I said, I think this leads back to my car, which I think that's that first junction post there. As you guys can see ahead, there's a blue junction post. I think that's the very first one we went past. And then there's where I came from. It's kind of starting to look like it's getting sunny out. The rain's stopping. And then there's where I'm going. Oh yeah, I think this is. Because if you see down there, you can see that garbage dump area. Or not garbage dump, but like rock and soil dump. And there's the first junction post. And I think I just stepped in a puddle. Because now my shoe is nice and wet. Oh, great. Yeah, I think I stepped in a puddle. My foot's now nice and wet. See? There's a nice big hole in it, that's why. So. Oh, and there's another plane up there in the sky. This looks like where I came from. So I think we're going to go up this way and see if we can get back to the car. Yep, looks right. Yeah, there's where I started. Just up there. And down that little path between those two fences. Well, that's going to end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe down below, turn on the ring bell notifications to all notifications so you never miss a video. Because I love it when you guys watch my videos. I love it, love it, love it. I mean that. Thank you. Think positive, kick negative, keep on with the outdoors. Until next time, peace out.